How does mind mapping leverage brain thinking? Imagine your brain as a vast network of roads and intersections. When you learn something new, your mind creates connections between ideas, like roads linking different places. Now, think about how you usually take notes in a straight line, writing down facts one after another. That method is like traveling on a single highway. But your brain doesn't work that way. It prefers to explore many routes at once, making connections in a web-like pattern. Mind mapping taps into this natural way of thinking. Instead of writing in a straight line, you start with a central idea in the middle of the page. From there, you draw branches out to related subtopics, like roads leading to different neighborhoods. These branches can have their own smaller branches, showing more details or related ideas. This visual setup mirrors how your brain organizes information by creating mental maps of concepts linked together. Your brain stores information in networks, not in straight lines. When you use a mind map, you're helping it build those networks more easily. The central idea acts as a hub, and the branches are like roads connecting to smaller hubs. This makes it easier for your brain to find and recall information because it's organized in a way that matches how it naturally works. Another way mind mapping helps your brain is by engaging both hemispheres. The left side of your brain handles logical, sequential tasks like reading or math. The right side processes images, colors, and spatial relationships. When you add colors, pictures, or symbols to your mind map, you're activating both sides. This dual activation makes your memory stronger and helps you understand ideas better. Mind mapping also encourages a mode called diffuse thinking. This is when your mind wanders freely in the background, making new connections without you even realizing it. Because a mind map is flexible, you can explore different branches without losing focus on the main topic. This kind of thinking sparks creativity and helps you see the bigger picture. In practical studying, mind mapping helps you organize complicated topics visually. You can break down large chapters into smaller parts, making them easier to understand. It also helps you see how ideas connect, which improves your ability to remember and recall information later. Plus, creating a mind map can boost your problem-solving skills by showing different angles of an issue. So, in simple terms, mind mapping works with how your brain naturally thinks. It creates a visual, connected map of ideas that makes learning easier, more organized, and more memorable. It combines logical and creative thinking, helping you study smarter and remember more.